Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make papaya juice the Haitian way. My daughter loves papaya juice. So what I do, whenever I buy papaya, I clean it, wash it, and I just put it in the freezer in like a bag like this. And when I'm ready to make papaya juice, I just pull it out of the freezer and put a little bit of water. And then just put it in the blender, and I'm going to show you. I'm adding some milk. I'm adding a can of milk, and I don't like it watery, so 1 can should be enough. Okay, and now I'm adding some sugar because the papaya already has its own juice, so you don't want to add. Some people add water, but I don't. So you just add sugar to taste. So start small, and after after it's almost done, then you can taste it and see if you need to add some more sugar. And now I'm adding some vanilla. It's about 1 tablespoon. Well, not 1 tablespoon. I'm sorry, 1 teaspoon. Probably a 1/4 teaspoon. And then now, you have the milk, you have the papaya mixed in here, and all you have to do is just blend it. Now the papaya juice is ready. I'm just going to pour a glass for myself. Some people like it watery, but I don't. So if you like it watery. And this is because it was frozen, so that's why it looks like those things that you see there. It's because the papaya was frozen, and you don't need to strain anything. You just drink it like that, and this is really good. So good. Some people add some lime juice. I tried to do it this way. I didn't like it. So this way is it's really good.